Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Refrigerator breakers trip because of electrical overloads, short circuits, or appliance faults. To fix it quickly, unplug the fridge and reset the breaker. If it trips again, inspect cords for damage, avoid overloading the circuit, and don't run heavy appliances together. If problems continue, contact a professional technician.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.